हेलो स्टूडेंट, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल KCYC। इन दिस वीडियो हम लोग जो बचा हुआ प्रोबेबिलिटी प्रॉब्लम सेट 5 का जो 9 से लेके 16 तक सम है विल डू दैट। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ योर सम नंबर 9। सम नंबर 9 में इफ़ यू चेक एक ऐसे रेक्टेंगल दिया हुआ है एंड देन दे आर गिवन अ सर्कल ओवर हियर। रेक्टेंगल का लेंथ इज मेंशन्ड एज 77 मीटर, दिस इज मेंशन्ड एज 50 मीटर। Length and breadth of a rectangular garden are 77 meter and 50 meter. There is a circular lake. This is your circular lake. There is a circular lake in the garden having a diameter. The diameter of this is 14 meters. Due to wind, a towel from a terrace of a nearby building fell in the garden. Then find the probability of the event that it fell in the lake. तो पहला this is what your full thing will assume over here, that is let the sample space be the area of the ground. What is the formula for area of the ground? That is, we say area of the ground, your formula is very easy, that is a length into breadth. That's what you get your area. Length is how much? 77. Breadth is how much? 50. Keep it as it is over here. This is square meter. This is your area. And therefore you can write over here, your sample space N of S is equal to 77 into 50. Units नहीं लिखना है यहाँ पे. Now we'll assume over here event, that is let A be the event. Let A be the event that the towel falls in the circular lake. So lake was how the lake is? The lake is circular. Therefore we can say that is area of a circle. What is the formula for area of a circle? That is pi r square. What is your pi? 22 upon 7. Diameter they are given 14. Therefore the radius will be 7 square. That is 7. So this is 22 upon 7. Into 7 into 7, 7 cancels, and you get keep it as it is over here. This is square meter. Because आप this is इसको जोड़ो मत, because आपको मालूम है आगे जाके तोड़ने का है, तो है necessary काय को जोड़ने का. And therefore we can say this is n of A is equal to 22 into 7. And हो गया. आपको पूछा ये है probability of A. Use your formula n of A upon n of S. So this is 22 into 7 upon this is 77 into 50. 7 ones are 7 11s are 11 2s are 225s are. So probability of A is equal to 1 upon 25. So this is how you have to do this circle. Number 10 में ऐसे एक सर्कल बना के रखा है and सर्कल में you get these are the points over here, they are put over. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and this is 8 and there's an arrow over there. It's an arrow बना के रखा है. Now the arrow is pointing on 3. So you got an arrow over there. Now it is pointing on 3. So what is the question? In a game of chance, spinning arrows comes to rest at one of the numbers, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. All these are equally likely outcomes. Find, so बाद में find, since there are 8 numbers, there are 8 numbers from 1 to 8, and since the arrow points out at a number, so what do you get? your sample space किधर भी जाएगा वो. So S is equal to 1 2 3 4 5. Very simple, just try to understand. So we get this as n of S is equal to 8. There are different questions over here. First one, that is let A be the event. Let A be the event that the arrow points out, that the arrow points at, say the first one at 8. At 8, how many 8 are there? सिर्फ एक ही 8 है. So you say that is A is equal to that 8 and then you write over this is n of A is equal to 1. Finished. Probability of A, that is n of A upon n of s, and therefore we get this is probability of a. N of a is 1 upon 8. This is how you have to do. The second one, we can say that is let b be the event. I'll just put over here. This way you can write that the arrow points at, well, where does the arrow point? That is the arrow points an odd number. So arrow points and we say this is over here, that is your odd number. So आपके पास कौन सा odd numbers है that you have to take? That is 1, 3, 5, 7. So कितना हो गया? This is n of b. कितना है? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4. And therefore we can say this is probability of b is equal to n of b upon n of s. This is probability of b. N of b is how much? That is 4. This is how much? 8. You get the answer. I'll write over here. Therefore probability of b is equal to 1 upon 2. The third one is again very easy. That is let c be the event that the arrow points a number greater than 3. Number, I'll put it over here, greater than 2. So all the numbers which are greater than 2, that is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 numbers. Same, n of c is equal to 6. We can write probability of c is equal to n of c upon n of s. n of c कितना है? c. a कितना है? 8. And that is 2 3s are 2 4s are. So what do you get your answer? You get your answer, that is 3 upon 4. And last वाला बोला हुआ है a number less than 9. So a number less than 9, I'll put it over here. The fourth one, let d be the event that the number is less than 9. When you say number less than 9, तो सब numbers है. So you get over here, that is d is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you get this is n of d is equal to 8. You get this is probability of d is equal to n of d upon n of s. And what do you get your answer? That is 8 upon 8. And that is probability of d is equal to 1. This is called as sure event. इसको बोलेंगे that is SURE. I'm just telling you this is called as a sure event. So this is how you have to do your sum number 10. Sum number 11. एकदम simple sum है. There are 6 cards in a box, each bearing a number 0 to 5. That is, since there are 6 cards numbered 0 to 5, and since one card is drawn at random, so आपका sample space बन जाएगा. So S is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. कितना है? There are totally 6 cards over here. So n of s is equal to 6. Events बहुत easy है, but basic you should know whole numbers, natural numbers सब आना चाहिए. पहला क्वेश्चन है that a card shows a natural number. That is, let A be the event that the card shows a natural number. Now what are your natural number? Your natural numbers are, so you say this is A. 1 से जो start होगा, those are your natural numbers. So you can say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and you get over here 5. Therefore n of A is equal to, how many are there? 5. Finished. Probability of A is equal to n of A upon n of S. That is equal to 5 upon 6. This is your first one. See the second one. Second में बोला है that is, let B be the event. I'll just put lines over here. तो same copy करने का है. It shows a number less than 1. That is, let B be the event that the card shows a number less than 1. So how many numbers are less than 1? एक ही number है which is less than 1, that is 0. और याद रखो, you should write n of B is equal to 1. एक number है. And therefore you should say over here that is P of B is equal to n of B upon n of S. ये आ जाएगा 1, ये आएगा 6. So this is probability of B is equal to 1 upon 6. We say that is, let C be the event that the card shows a whole number. That is, the card shows a whole number. That is, it shows a whole number. Now बच्चा लोग whole number last time में बोला मजाक में, नंबर जो whole के साथ आता है that is called as whole number. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all are whole numbers. Same, that is, this is 6, and therefore this is probability of C is equal to n of C upon n of S. So a sure event बनेगा because it is 6 upon 6, and what do you get? 6 upon 6. I'll write over here. Therefore P of C is equal to, what do you get over here? That is 1. The fourth one we'll do over here, that is, let D be the event. What they asked for the last one, that is, let D be the event that the number is greater than 5. Let D be the event that the number is greater than 5. So कितना नंबर्स है जो ग्रेटर देन 5 है? एक भी नंबर नहीं है, तो जिसको बोलते हैं इम्पॉसिबल इवेंट. सो D इज इक्वल टू कुछ नहीं, 0 कुछ नहीं लिखने का, ओनली 2 ब्रैकेट्स. सो यू से n ऑफ D, एक भी टर्म नहीं है तो 0, and therefore we say probability of D is equal to n of D upon n of S. This is probability of D 0 upon 8. Maths में 0 upon anything is equal to 0. So this event is called as impossible event. So this is how you have to do your sum number 11. 12. I'm not doing sum number 12 because ये sum हमने same किया हुआ है. जहाँ पे balloons था वहाँ पे सिर्फ balls आ गया है, तो you can manage with it sum number 12. We'll do with sum number 13. Each card bears one letter in the word mathematics. So the letters are, you can say where, that is M, A, T, H, E, M, A, T, I, C, S. And the cards are placed on a table upside and one card is drawn at random. We say that is, since one card is drawn at random, therefore you'll get over here the sample space. जितना ही सब लिखो, M, A, T, H, E, M, A, T, I, C और S. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you can say that is n of S is equal to 11. अब एक ही क्वेश्चन है इसमें, that is, let A be the event. Let A be the event. If you check in a textbook, let A be the event that the card bears the letter M. Let A be the event that the card bears the letter, what is that? The letter M. तो M कितना है? एक, 2 ही M है, तो we say A is equal to, that is M, you can write 2 times over here. So n of A is equal to 2, finished. That is P of A is equal to n of A upon n of S. This is probability of A. This is 2 upon 11, and this is what you get your answer for sum number 13. It's that easy. Out of 200 students from a school, so total how many students are there? I'll just write for you. This is total number of students is 200. Those who play kabaddi, that is out of 200 students from a school, 135 play kabaddi. So how many of them play, that is kabaddi, that is equal to 135. So non-kabaddi players, so बचा हुआ है, they do not play kabaddi. So it will be 200 minus 135, and this is over here 65. अभी क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा हुआ है? If one student is selected at random from all the students, find the पहला एक student है, that is, since one student is selected at random, so one student is selected at random, so you get how many students are there? 200 है ना, तो डायरेक्ट लिखो n of s is equal to 200 हो गया. Then say that is, let A be the event. किसके बारे में पूछा है? उनको कौन चाहिए? कबड्डी प्लेयर चाहिए, नॉन कबड्डी प्लेयर चाहिए. That the student selected does not like कबड्डी, नॉन कबड्डी प्लेयर चाहिए. Let A be the event that the student does not like kabaddi. सो नॉन कबड्डी प्लेयर में से आएगा. सो यू कैन से दिस इज n of a is equal to how much we wrote over? This is 65. Finished. We say probability of a is equal to n of a upon n of s. That is probability of a. This is over 65 upon 200. Go with your table. This is probability of a is equal to, you can say this will be 13 upon 40, and this is what you get here answer. So this is how you have to do the sum. 15th and 16th are both are important. A two-digit number is formed from the digit 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since a two-digit number, ये two-digit number आपको बराबर लिखना है. A two-digit number is formed from the digits. That is, what are your digits you need to take? That is, from the digits, what are the digits? That is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you write away sample space. अभी सब options try करो. 0, 1, 0, 2 मत करो, फिर वो single digit number बनेगा. यहाँ से start करो. That is 10, 12. Just check repetition is allowed. Repetition of a digits is allowed. A two-digit number is formed from the digit 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. With पहला sum है with repetition. तो यहाँ पे this will come, 11 will come, 12, 13, 14. Now go with 2, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Now go with 30, 30, 30, 31. I'll put it over here. This is 32, 33. समझ रहे हैं? 34 यहाँ से लेना है numbers. That is 40, 41, 42, 43, and this is 44. Check how many numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So use, so this is n of s is equal to 20. इधर एक भी नंबर आपका रॉन्ग हो गया, आगे सब इवेंट्स रॉन्ग होने वाला है. So you have to be careful over there. That is, let A be the event. पहला क्वेश्चन बोला है let A be the event that it is a prime number. Now what are prime numbers? Prime numbers वो होता है जो those who cannot be divided by any other number rather than itself. Now check, this is not a prime number. 11 is a prime number. Then what do you get over the next one? 12 is not a prime number. 13 is a prime number. 14 is not a prime number. 20 is not a prime number. 21 not a prime number. 22 not a prime number because 11 twos are. 23 is a prime number. 24 नहीं, 3 8s are 24, 3 10s are. 31 is a prime number. 32 नहीं है, 32 is not a prime number. 33 is not a prime number. 34 is not a prime number. ये भी 2 का टेबल में जाएगा, ये भी 2 का जाएगा. 41 is a prime number. 42 is not a prime number. 43 is a prime number. So इतना prime numbers मिलेगा. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. इसमें कोई तो भी नंबर है which is not a prime number. चेक करो कौन सा एक एक्स्ट्रा नंबर आ गया which is a prime number. 11 कोई टेबल में नहीं जाता है. 13 कोई टेबल में नहीं जाता है. 23 कोई टेबल में नहीं जाता है. This also is not going in any table. Check that this is n of a. कितना है ये? 6. हो गया बच्चा लोग. Therefore probability of a that is equal to n of a upon n of s. This is a 6 upon a कितना है? 20. So you get a probability of a that is 3s are, and this is 2 3s are, 2 10s are. So this is what you get your answer. Second question बोला है that is let b be the event. I'll just put a line over here. क्या बोला हुआ है that it is a multiple of the number drawn is a multiple of 4. तो पूरा 4 का टेबल आपको चेक करना है. 4 नहीं है बोर्ड पे because 2 digit number है. 4 3s are 12, so you'll get over this is 12. Then 4, this is 5s are 20, 24, 28 is not there. 4 6 are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 then 8s are 32, it is there. 4 9s are 36 is not there. 40 is there. And then what you get over here? 44. तो 1 2 3 4 5 यहाँ पे भी वापस 6 ही आ गया. So this is n of b is equal to 6, and therefore again you can say probability of b is equal to n of b upon n of s, that is equal to 6 upon 20, and therefore you'll get the answer that is probability of b is equal to 3 upon what you get over here, that is 10. अभी लास्ट वाला देखो, that is the let c be the event. I just put over here क्या पूछा है? Said let c be the event. It is a multiple of the number drawn is a multiple of 11. So go with your multiple of 11. 11 का टेबल 11 है, 11 बोर्ड पे है, 11 1 जा 22, 3 जा 33, 44, बस ये चार ही नंबर्स है आपके पास. So you say n of c is equal to 4. Probability of c is equal to, what do you get over? This is n of c upon n of s. So you get over, this is over here 4 upon how much is that? 20. And therefore probability of c is equal to 1 upon 5. So this is how you have to do your sum number 15. But याद रखो, you should be very perfect with your 2-digit number. प्राइम नंबर सिलेक्शन के टाइम कुछ भी मिस्टेक नहीं करना, आराम से सिलेक्ट करो, then only you can do it, right? So this is how you do your sum number 15. Sum number 16 इजी है, डाई का है बट थोड़ा डिफरेंट है. The faces of a die, that is since the face of a die, यहाँ पे the face of a die are, चेक करो, the face of a die bears the number, तो यहाँ पे numbers are different, bear the numbers. So what are your numbers? That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. फिर बोला if a die is rolled twice, तो they said over that is since, अभी ध्यान देना बच्चा लोग, since the die is rolled, that is twice. So the die is rolled twice, therefore you write s is equal to, now when you write sample space, so same वैसा ही है. कितना numbers है आपके पास? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 है, और दो बार डालेगा दैट इज 36 आएगा. तो यू हैव टू पुट दिस 36 ब्रैकेट्स ओवर हियर. सेम जैसा डाई में 1 to 6 होता है, इधर 0 to, उनके पास 0 to 6 है, 1 2 3 4 5, दिस इज 6. एंड देन द सेम वे द वे यू रोट फॉर 2 डाइस, द सेम थिंग ओवर हियर, बट अब बिट थोड़ा सा चेंज हो जाएगा. So put over here, this is 0, this is 0, over here 1, because you got a number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so that's why, that is 2, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is your 5, you don't have 6, so you'll not put 6 over here, and then when you start over here, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, this is 5, over here also the same thing, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, this is 5. Over here this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, this is 5. Again over here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5. This is 0, 0, 1, 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. This is 0, 1, 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. So you got this is n of s is equal to 36. Now you go with एक ही question है, that is let A be the event. What did they say? Let A be the event. बोला that is the product of the digit on the uppermost face is 0. Product बोला है, let A be the event that the product on the uppermost face, that the product is, what is that? 0. If you see product is 0, तो 0 वाला सब 0 0 is 0, 0 1 is 0, 0 2 is 0, 0 3 is 0, 0 4 is 0, 5 is 1 0 is 2 0 is, ये सबको मल्टीप्लाई करेगा. प्रोडक्ट बोलेगा तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन, ये सबको मल्टीप्लाई करेगा तो 0 आ जाएगा. सो 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, this is over here 0, 5, 0,6 नहीं है, this is 1, 0, this is finished. Now we are going this way. This is 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0 and 5, 0. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you get this is n of A is equal to 11, and therefore probability of A is equal to n of A upon n of S. Therefore you'll get this is probability of A is equal to 11 upon 36. This is what you got here. Answer. So this is how you have to do with your chapter probability. Examples जरा प्रैक्टिस करो, थोड़ा सा एग्जाम्स में लिखते समय ज़्यादा घाई मत करो. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट एग्जैक्टली द क्वेश्चन इज. सैंपल स्पेस प्रॉपरली लिखो, हर एक क्वेश्चन का इवेंट्स प्रॉपरली लिखो. डिवाइड करते समय ऑलवेज ऊपर वाला छोटा रहता है, नीचे वाला बड़ा रहता है. सो दिस इज योर चैप्टर probability. So we finish with your probability chapter over here. In the next video we'll start with a new chapter. Till then, bye bye, tata, take care.